Hi there, Gerald here. Thank you for coming and watching day 2. Today we're going to be looking at the business module, which operates very much like a franchise. I know this because in 2002 I joined Remax, and Remax is probably it is the largest franchise in the property market. And so I understand how Remax operates, and this operates pretty much the same. As I said, I joined as an estate agent, and last year I had a fairly major surgery, and that left me with a bit of a balance problem. So I have not been able to do my estate agency work as I would like to, as I have a problem in climbing stairs and showing people properties. So Builderall has come along at the right time for me and is helping me to build a residual income over time while I do my estate agency work in a limited way. So I just want to welcome you. Have a look at the building blocks to build a separate business and to build it along with the business that you're currently doing. So help me welcome Barbie, and she's going to take us through that again.
A little bit over the bigger picture of what Builderall has to offer. We have great tools. We have the ability to build websites, build funnels. We have all kinds of tools and apps, just like you saw in yesterday's video. But make no mistake, one of the reasons I joined Builderall was because it aligned with what I already do in my business, which is I help people build their businesses online. So I knew that as I was starting to use Builderall, that I would be able to share it with others. And honestly, I was looking to fill this gap that I had in my business, which is I call it the residual income gap. When you are doing design work or you are working with clients, you don't have the residual coming in. You can have a bigger ticket item that you sell. So what I want to do in this video today, and if you're not interested in the Builderall business whatsoever, then feel free to just skip over to the next day's video, okay? But if you have any interest whatsoever in being a Builderall business owner, okay, which means you would be paying $50 a month instead of $30 a month, but you would also be able to refer others to use the Builderall tools and also refer others to join the Builderall business. You would make 100% commission on your first sale and then 30% residual commission every month thereafter as the person was active. The compensation plan is very generous, so it's just a matter of using the tool, teaching people how to use the tool, and introducing the tool to more people if you want to do the business side. Okay, so let me just go ahead and kind of give you the back office tour of what it's like to be inside the Builderall business, and I also want to go ahead and kind of give you an idea of how much you could earn with the Builderall business calculator. So first of all, I'm going to go here to the business web page. Okay, now you have when you're a business owner, you have the ability to share these pages with other people, and if other people join the business, then obviously you make a commission. Now this is not network marketing, it's not MLM per se, okay? It's only two-tiered. It's only your sales and the sale beneath you, okay? That is it. It's not MLM, nothing like that. This is just make it, this is kind of like a franchise, okay? It is your personal sales, and you make commissions from your personally sponsored people's sales, and that's about it, okay? Unless you're an ambassador in the company, which is what I am the only position in the company that I earn pretty much from anyone down the line, but that is, that's only a very exclusive, position in the company, and you have to be invited, and it's not always open because they want to keep it to a very serious group of people that actually want to seriously promote the business like myself, okay? So anyway, here is the sales page for the business, okay? And, you know, I know a lot of these people and they are, you know, making great money inside of the Builderall business. And, you know, I mean, you start off small, but it's just kind of like a snowball effect. And you can start making money. They give you all your sales funnels. They give you everything you need to just come in, plug in, and play, okay? So I'll let you go ahead and take a look at the business sales page. I'll link it on this page. But for now, let me go ahead and actually look at that. How this is awesome. Before I left Builderall, you're so smart, they gave me an opportunity to calculate. Okay, so now that they they did this, they saved me the they saved me the time of having to actually log into my business. Okay, so let's just say, for example, you know, you're semi-serious. Maybe you just, you know, you can sell two licenses a month. You can only bring in 2 people a month, okay? So let's just be on the conservative side. This is like, you're just, you know, you're not even really truly taking this seriously. You're selling 2 licenses a month. That's 2 people, okay? So at 2 people a month, that's 24 people a year. You know, you would make, sorry, let me go ahead and change this. Okay, so your immediate earnings, your upfront earnings, you'd make $717.60, and your residual monthly income, as long as these people stay active, would be $215 residual per month. Okay, that takes care of maybe, I don't know, a water bill, a gas bill, an electricity bill, depending on where you live. So that's, you know, just super duper conservative. Now, let's just say that out of these 24 people, let's say 30% of them convert into actual business builders. Let's say they want to do the business. And mostly I've signed up people at the $50 level because you get the same exact thing as the people at the $30 level. The only difference is, as far as tools go, the only difference really is your ability to earn income, right? So let's go ahead and put 30 in here and see what happens. Okay, so 30% become business people. Okay, so then you'd make $861.60 and your monthly residual be $258. Now, here is where it really gets powerful. Out of those 30% of people, okay, they became business builders, all right? How many licenses do each of them sell per year? Let's say they sold 2 licenses, okay? Or let's say they sold 3. All right, that's like not much, right? But you would make $500, and this is like just so conservative, right? And then how many licenses each second tier commercial sells in 1 year? How many second tier licenses convert? So out of these, let me make this an even number, okay? So out of these people, how many of them convert into commercial licenses? Let's say half of them, so 2 out of 4 become commercial license holders, okay? So you're making almost 600 bucks residual, and you've made $861.60 on the front end. Doesn't sound like much, right? But let's just say you decide, you know what, I'm gonna sell 4 licenses a month. So that's 48 in a year. Okay, now you increase to 1,005, right? And let's say, honestly, I sell all pretty much commercial licenses. So let's just say 70%. Now your income is almost at 2,000. Let's say these people sell, you know, 6 licenses. Now you're talking $2,500. These are not astronomical numbers. These are extremely conservative numbers, really extremely conservative. So if you have 40 direct people and 168 second tier people, you know, you can make a nice, you know, that pays your mortgage, or you know, it helps you put money into savings, you know. So how aggressive you want to be is totally up to you, you know. So my goal is 10 a month, right? So 10 times 12 is 120. So this is the goal that I'm going for, okay? So it completely depends on you and how aggressive you want to be. But it's totally up to you. Now, in tomorrow's video, I want to share with you some of the bonuses, some bonus training that you are going to receive once you get started as a business account inside of Builderall. You're going to get access to my team training, because a lot of this is marketing. If you don't know how to market, you're going to struggle with the Builderall business, right? So that's why I've taken all my expertise that I have gained throughout the years. I hate calling myself an expert, but I am very proficient in video marketing. Chances are you are here doing the 7-day trial because you saw my video, so you know that it works, right? So I teach that to my team. I teach them attraction marketing. I teach them how to promote on social media. I also teach direct response, which is solo ads advertising. And my sponsor is a Facebook ads expert, so you would get access to that training as well. So I'll talk more about that tomorrow, okay? And then on day 4, we're going to dig a little deeper into the actual tools. So that you can actually see how these tools work. Now, at any given time that you want, if you want to accelerate and move ahead, you can just go ahead and click on the link right below this video and skip on to the next day in the 7-day training. Okay.
What you need to understand is that although the business module costs an extra $20, it has the capability of providing you with free use of the tools, even if you just take on 4 people. Now, if you sit at the end of this 7 days and you cannot think of at least 4 people who could use this business tool to their advantage, then I will be very surprised. So think about it. The business module offers many more, and over time will develop even more than it is now. So have a look at it, and thanks for watching.